Hello, I'm Rochelle, and this is episode 119 of the Genuine Realtor Show, which airs every Friday. With so many people looking to Burlington as a place to call home, I wanted to showcase some of the best places in the city. Today we're going to take a look at one of my personal favorites, Paletta Mansion. Ready? Let's go. Often referred to as the jewel in the crown of Burlington's waterfront, Paletta Mansion is a must-visit any time of year. The estate home is 11,000 square feet of restored grandeur, set among mature forests, expansive lawns, and 14 acres of waterfront green space to enjoy. It's free to visit the park space, but the mansion is reserved for a stunning venue space overlooking the waters of Lake Ontario. From weddings to celebrations to corporate events, if you're looking for a stunning place to gather, Paletta Mansion is worth considering. Most of you know how much I enjoy a good history fact, so here goes. The land Paletta Mansion sits on was granted to Laura Secord in 1809 by King George III. While she never settled on the property, it's such a wonderful connection to a hero from the War of 1812. After many years and upwards of 15 owners, Edith McKay commissioned the mansion we know today to be built in 1930. It was a labor of love, and it was so wonderful to see the mansion restored to its former glory in the early 2000s. No matter the season, this is a beautiful place to visit and explore. With easy access to trails, a creek to explore, waterfront access, an expansive lawn to enjoy a picnic on, spend an hour or a few in the historic nature that Paletta Mansion has to offer. If you're considering making Burlington, Hamilton, or the surrounding area home, I would love to help. If you're looking beyond my area of expertise, there's still a pretty good chance I know a great realtor wherever you're looking, so please don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you so much for touring Paletta with me. I really hope you enjoyed it, and do come check it out for yourself because it is absolutely stunning. Until next week, keep it genuine.